First minute I go to Lebanon,
Yeah.
where the war start, my
Yeah.
country, my house gone in the floor, no house now. After that I will go to Lebanon. I stay 5 years ago,
Wow.
and second come here in England.
And you came here to England, and you've made your home with your son.
With my children.
Yeah.
With my
Yeah.
children and my family.
Yeah. And so when you see what's happening in Syria now, how do you feel? With the earthquake?
شو بدك بس هلا انه بعد الحرب هيك عم تصير كمان زلازل.
I am very sad for that. Everything very bad. Start war now. زلزال شو يعني؟ Earthquake. The people Syria now very tired for everything. No house, no work, no anything. For first one the war, the children did, old women did, old man did, everybody did for the war. Now for the same everything's very bad. Yeah.
And when you see about children of your age, what do you feel you can do anything to help?
Not really, but I just feel lucky that I am here. I'm safe, and they over there like suffering under all the war and earthquakes and natural disasters and everything.
اللي نحن نتمنى من كل شيء تضرر وكل شيء مصاب يجي على البلد يتعالج ويعيش بهي البلد.
I hope that Syria turns back like it used to be in the old times, a safe and beautiful country.
لأنه المملكة المتحدة هي بتحافظ على اللاجئين، وهي أأمن دولة بالنسبة للاجئين. معلش.
And so a country like you remember when you were your son's age now? Yeah.
The country was way different than that.
But you don't, I suppose you don't remember.
I kind of do. I was 4.
Yeah, when you left.
Yeah. I don't remember lots, but I do remember a bit.
And as you say, you're glad you're safe with your family now. And you too, you're from Syria as well?
Yeah, from Homs as well.
From
Homs.
Right.
Syria Homs.
And how do you feel when you see the television?
It's heartbreaking, you know. It's your own brothers, your own sisters, your family, your friends. Even if you don't know them, you know, you still have a connection with them in kind of way.
And are you doing anything at school to tell other people?
Oh yeah, I'm telling my friends. They don't really know about it because they don't watch the news. I like post on social media, so I spread awareness. Or like bought the link for charities as well, so they can donate. Some of my friends donated as well.
So you'd say to people, find the charities, donate.
Yeah.
كونهم نتمنى نساعدهم، نتمنى نتبرع لهم، نتمنى نعمل اي شيء للعائلات المتضرره هنيك، لانه العالم عايشه بالشوارع، العالم عايشه بالطرقات، كل هذا الحكي
We're trying to do as much as possible, even for the people who are like not that greatly affected, because the people who didn't even who didn't get affected, like they didn't get their building down, they still, their windows is broken, the buildings are cracked, so anything like aftershocks happen, they will be in danger as well.